Kevin Ashton. Shout out to DJ Delz.
Yes, sir.
I'm an addict for sneakers.
Sneaker addicts! What's good? It's your boy DJ Delz. Welcome to a brand new episode. I got this enormous package from Footlocker. Look how big this box is. It's bigger than me. You can't even see me. I'm hidden right now. Peekaboo. So, got this box from Footlocker. Thank you to the great people over at Footlocker for sending this my way. And let's check out what's in the box. Now, one thing I know is they were going to send me a pair of shoes and a Funko Pop. And if you don't know, I'm a huge fan of Funko Pop. I'm still trying to hunt down that LeBron James Funko Pop. If anyone can help me out, let me know. They sold out everywhere. I'm trying to hunt that thing down, so hopefully they make more of them. So let's check out what's in the box together. I see a pair of Vans, which I love. Big fan of Vans. So we got a Vans bag right here, a tote bag, which is awesome. We got a close-up look in just a second. We got some shoes, which we'll get to in just a second. And we got a box, which is a Funko Pop. Let's check it out. Sam Darnold from the Jets. I'm a New York guy. I support New York teams. I'm more of a Giants guy, but I do rock with the Jets too. You know, when it comes to football, I just root for my city. When it comes to basketball, though, I don't do that. I root for what players I enjoy watching the most. And with baseball, Yankees all day. But I will root for the Mets also. I basically will root for New York teams when it comes down to football and baseball. That's my whole thing. New York all day, every day. I am a New Yorker, and I rock with the Giants and the Jets. So I definitely will be doing a full detailed review on my channel, which is mostly Funko Pop, over at the Delz Show. So if you love Funko Pop, head over there, subscribe there for like a super detailed review on this awesome pop right here. And thank you so much. I love that Footlocker is actually doing the whole Funko Pop thing, because I have over 300 Funko Pops. Yes, I have that many Funko Pops. Some of you guys here, you may not even know that I collect Funko Pops. Head over, one more time, The Delz Show over on YouTube. The Delz, D-E-L-Z, The Delz Show on YouTube. If you love Funko Pops and you've been watching this channel, you may not know about the other one, but you're a big fan of Funko Pop, you are going to love this channel. Definitely check it out. And thank you once again, Footlocker, for a Funko Pop, because it's always just great to get them. And you know, I love buying them as gifts for people. I've picked up so many Funko Pops for family and friends just to give little gifts to. It's a lot of fun. So we got this tote right here, and this is from the Space Voyager collection. Cool bag. Always nice to get like little extra goodies, right? And I'm taking it that these are the shoes to that collection. And yes, they are, which I absolutely love. I seen the images and I was planning on getting these. I'm very thankful that they actually just sent them to me, because, you know, it's nice to get things like this. And oh my gosh, they look so good. I'm like, you know, when you open up the box, you take a peek, you're like, oh man. You know, I haven't even seen that much of the shoe. Look, this is what I'm looking at right there. I mean, that is just, look at that, man. Come on. Let's take it out. Look at that shoe, man. Oh my goodness. How awesome are these? Ah, these look fantastic. And the leather on them is A1. You know, when it comes to Vans, they always deliver too. Always deliver. I'm looking at another pair that's actually right next to me. These right here I wore yesterday. This is from the Marvel Avengers pack that they released. So awesome. I mean, Vans are just so much fun. They just know how to deliver great concepts, and that's what they did right here. As you can see, you got your NASA branding right there. More branding on the medial side, and look at that, man. Love the patches. I mean, they look so cool on these shoes, right? Just pops crazy. You have your pole, and then it says the eagle has landed. Let's take a look at the other shoe just to see if there's any differences. And I'm glad we did, because there definitely is. There's nothing on this side, but on this side we've got, which looks to be a removable patch. And yes, it does remove. There's a close-up look, Apollo 11. Sweet. And there's a look at the outsole real quick. Let's look at the other outsole. Same thing, I just was curious. You know, sometimes they'll hit you with a little something different. They did with these. Look, boom, you got different stuff going on. So, I love that. I think that's fun, man, when you're walking around and you got different patches on the shoe. It's exciting. And once again, like, they always have great execution when it comes down to any kind of concept. And I have tons of Vans videos here. So, I'll definitely try to put a pop-up somewhere on the screen so you can watch an actual playlist if you're a big fan of Vans, including one of my most viewed videos, which is me showing you how I love to lace up my Vans shoes. Make sure to bang that thumbs up button right now. If you guys want to see these on foot, I'll definitely get to you and hit you with that on foot look. Just show that love, leave them comments, hit that thumbs up button. And wanted to give you a close-up look at the actual shoe, the leather. And then you have like these foam hits over here, which give it a nice vibe. Got it up top there. Quick close-up look on the medial side. And I am noticing on the back of the other shoe it says, for the benefit of all. So on the left shoe it says the eagle has landed, and on the other shoe it says for the benefit of all. And just close up one time on that patch. And this is some of my Funko Pop collection right here. As you can see. I actually just got this one signed by Kane this week, and I was able to link up with Kane at this wrestling convention, which I did 2 vlogs on and interviewed so many wrestlers. If you're into wrestling, that's also on my other channel, the Delz Show, and I interviewed tons and tons of wrestlers. Check out that video. I'll put a pop-up right there when I get a chance. And yeah, I have a lot of WWE Funko Pop, Stranger Things, Star Wars, Marvel, The Walking Dead. I mean, I just love Funko Pop. I have so many. Oh man. But yeah, getting back to these shoes, they actually had this limited edition Funko Pop that was available if you bought from this Vans collection, and it was of Steve Van Doren in his astronaut suit. I really wanted it, but you know, I wasn't able to get it, unfortunately. If anyone has that one, wants to look out, hit me up. Wants to do trades, hit me up. Definitely. But yeah, man, really dig these. Oh, let me show you the tongue. I didn't even show you guys that. There's a look at the tongue, and there's a look at the actual insole. It's kind of hard for me to get in there. I'm trying to get it for you. There we go. Once again, thank you so much for the shoes and this Funko Pop right here. I will link them in the description box below so you can pick these up. As far as the actual fitting to these, go true to size on Vans always. And I hope everyone's doing great out there. I have my podcast over at patreon.com/DJ Delz. We're at episode 37, so definitely check that out. Last week's episode 36 talked about all types of stuff, from sneakers to sports to WWE, which I'm a huge fan of WWE, so we talked about a lot of the news that's going on with WWE. Plus, since it was episode 36, I wanted to have some talk on Wu-Tang Clan 36 Chambers, episode 36, and it's a lot of fun. So check out the podcast over at patreon.com/DJ Delz. Once again, much love to Footlocker. Thank you so much, because I really wanted these, and I'll catch you guys hopefully tomorrow with a new video. We out.